Please don't judge me. I'm a Facebook user, yes. This one girl shared a picture of a woman in a casket. Keyword, shared the picture. I did not think it was her picture, or that she had any relations to this person in the casket. Turns out it was her aunt, who passed because of drug abuse. But the way the woman was laying in the casket, her face literally looked like this, I kid you not. And in the bottom of it, where you see all the people that reacted, the first emoji was a laughing emoji, like the haha react. So I thought it was all fun and games. So I shared the picture, but this was my caption. When you dead and a motherfucker that owes you $20 shows up at the funeral. Within 10 minutes of sharing that, everybody was flooding my comments. And they was like, that's that girl's auntie, you fucked up, you going to hell.
Bankrupt, like no money on my card.
Ho, ho, ho. Would you guys like to know if you're on the thoughty list? Yeah. Okay, you in the black. What's your first name? Ben. Okay, Ben. Let's see if you've been a good boy this year. Last name, Ben? Muncie? Ben Muncie, I hate to break it to you, but you are on the thoughty list.
Hey, do me.
Jeremy Little. Jeremy Little? It says here, I actually have a note here. It looks like you'd like to lose your virginity this year.
Oh, okay, you. Hey, he's showing his, dude.